Brad Williams, Excel Prime. 6.5, 3 things you didn't know about Excel AutoRecovery. Number 1, AutoRecovery. You know about AutoRecovery. There is a system built within Excel after many, many years of constant crashing and bugs and the never-ending explosion of Excel worksheets. Excel has a sort of a remedy, and it's the AutoRecovery feature. Now it's whatever pre-design or preset time, and you can design this yourself. There's an auto recovery of your whatever worksheets are open. Here's number 2. If you have a very complex worksheet open that has dynamic calculations, dynamic means they will recalculate daily, or they'll recalculate every minute, or whenever you hit F9, you have a recal. What happens is the auto recovery, if there's dynamic recalculations built into your worksheets, and it's a big worksheet, guess what? You're frozen. You can't work on your worksheet during the auto recovery. Now, today, with the speed of technology and the computer speed and your RAM speed and your CPU speed, it's remedied that a bit, but again, it can get to the point of frustration, and you go, well, I've had it with this auto recovery, and you shut it off. I shut mine off occasionally. I have some worksheets I have to, because they're too large and they automatically update, and I have to have that feature. That's why I always hit Control S when I'm working on a worksheet, because the auto recovery, sometimes it's shut off, sometimes it's not. And number 3, what do you do if there is a crash? Excel always uses the, well, what if there's a power outage? And never the fact that, oh, perhaps there's a bug within Excel. And there are a lot of bugs. They will blow up your system. When that happens, hopefully you've either hit Control S with regular frequency, or auto recovery picked up everything but the last 10 minutes or 15 or 20 minutes. How do we figure that out? We go to File, we go to Info, and then we hit Manage Workbooks. What does that mean? That means any workbooks open. In this case, you could see whatever this workbook was, 8/31. That was the last time it was saved. Why? I'm opening and closing workbooks throughout this morning. If I need to recover that particular file, I just click it, cross my fingers. And number 4, how do we change the auto recovery if we want it on, if we want it to recover every 5 minutes, or maybe every 10 minutes, or every hour? This is what we do. Before we go to the configuration of the auto recovery, let's hit 8/31 recovery. This is what happens. You're going to see second overview. So now I have this new file, and it's 6.53 whatever, and it's showing auto recovery read only, and then it says down here auto recovery version, a newer version, blah blah blah, restore. You hit restore and you go, this is about to overwrite. Well, I don't want that, because 6.5.3 I just saved, and it's 9:25. Why is the auto recovery all screwed up? I can't answer that. So I'm gonna hit cancel, and then it just bleeps about something else. So I'm not saving this, because I know behind this is 6.5 that hasn't been saved, that is more current. Whenever you do auto recovery, open it and review it and ask yourself, is this what I want recovered? And if not, what you need to do is just go up to the and close. Just go up to the far right and close the file. And now you're back to your original file if it's still there. That's it, auto recovery. Let's go into the how to change this particular feature. So you go to File, Options, then we're going to go to Save. And then you're going to see Save Auto Recovery Information and you can change this to whatever you want. Sometimes I shut mine off, sometimes I leave it on. You go up to 2 hours. You can have your file auto recovery every 2 hours. Keep the last auto recovery version if I close without saving. Those are the couple of features. And that's it for auto recovery. I strongly suggest if you're new to keep it at 10. And then once you're familiar with how, if your systems blow up on you or crash or don't crash, and you find that the auto recovery can be changed to every 30 minutes, then go ahead and do that. Just always remember, hit Control S, Control S, Control Save. That means Control Save, Control Save, Control Save. Brad Williams, Excel Prime, thank you.